1.
Hi, I'm Charlene Ware, and I'm a registered dietitian and a culinary medicine educator at SIU. I want to share with you today a recipe for a really healthy drink that can help you boost your immunity. You know, we all need that right now, whether cold season, flu season, ward off COVID. This is something that's going to help you. It's called red medicine. It's beautiful for the holidays, but it also is very, very powerful, full of antioxidants, full of vitamins, vitamin C, all the things that are going to help build your immunity. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use 4 cups of black tea. Tea is an antioxidant. I've got 2 in there right now. I'm going to pour 2 more. It's best if you can brew this tea yourself. Here we go. So we've got 4 cups total of our black tea. And then we're going to use 2 cups each of pomegranate juice, which if you've ever tried pomegranate, it is super powered. A lot of people call it a superfoods. It's just really high in antioxidants. A beautiful red color for the holidays. So here's our 2 cups of pomegranate juice that we're just gonna blend in. And then we're gonna use 2 cups of cranberry juice. Just straight, make sure when you get cranberry juice that you find 100% juice, not the like juice or watery juice, but 100% juice. So I'm gonna pour 2 cups of that. So again, just 4 cups of tea, fresh brewed, 2 cups of pomegranate juice, and 2 cups of cranberry juice. And then, just to add to it, we're gonna add 4 cinnamon sticks. Now I know you can get cinnamon as a powder, but you really want the cinnamon sticks, and you're just gonna add those to the drink. Just pop them in there, and then you're gonna sweeten it with just a bit of honey. How much you put in is really up to you. I've got about a teaspoon here that I'm gonna add to it. You wanna stir that up, and you're ready to go. Great in the morning, great for a little pick-me-up. I would add, when you serve it, just 1 more cinnamon stick in your glass, and then you're just gonna pour that over. And a little thing I've learned when I've made this is it's best if it sits overnight. So build that immunity. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands, but this red medicine is gonna help as well.